After being up fucking 2-0, 2 fucking nil at halftime, we fucking drew the game. 3 all. 3 fucking all. What the fuck was the defense doing? What the fuck was the defense doing? For fucking 45 minutes, can't you bloody defend 2 fucking goals? What fucking nonsense! What absolute crap and disgraceful performances were. Disgraceful. Second half was absolutely fucking pathetic. Absolutely dream of a fucking start. Dream of a start. Absolute ballers of goals from Bruno and Cavani. We fucking managed to bottle it. We bottle it. As fucking always. Fuck the title. Fuck United. Fuck bloody Ole. What fucking nonsense. No bloody fucking changes in the entire fucking game. What fucking nonsense. Only Pogba you changed, who you were forced to change because of injury. No one was brought on. You needed to kill the game. You got the bloody lead again by McTominay's goal. Still you couldn't fucking defend. What fucking nonsense. Defense is absolutely fucking crap. All aspects of the game fantastic today except the fucking defense. What fucking nonsense. Absolute twats. Fucking cunts, yola. Cunts. Fucking last minute set piece y'all can't defend. 10 bloody seconds left. 10 seconds. Still y'all couldn't defend it. Fucking piss off, bros. Piss off. What bloody nonsense is this? Really? You had the bloody 3 points in the bag. 3 fucking points just given to you on a silver platter. Still you couldn't bloody take it. You want someone to spoon feed you next? Motherfuckers. Premier League title. Congrats to City. I'm calling it right now. Mark me on this. Fucking City has won it. No fucking arguments. No fucking questions. It's done. No one is in the title race anymore. Fuck off. No fucking arguments. Don't come at me in the comments saying fucking anything. No chance now. We concede 3 goals against Everton. You think we have a chance of winning fucking anything? No chance. No fucking chance. RIP. This is a fucking disgrace to the Busby babes. Really fucking disgrace. Disgraceful performance of her second half today. Just fucking, I have no words. I fucking was ready to fucking celebrate. Really. And that Calvert-Lewin, my zone. I have fucking no words. Really. I can't believe that we let him score that shitty of a goal. And David De Gea, really, dude. I've been backing you, but I don't know, dude. I really don't know. You should have done better today. You really should have done fucking better. You've been here like the most longest right now. Still you are acting like I don't know what. I feel Henderson is miles ahead. Really. He made one mistake against Sheffield and he made up for it. You, on the other end, no, dude. Really. You're missing up in crucial places, bro. Really, really. It cannot be go unnoticed. Really. We have some problems. Defense and the goalkeeping area now. Really, the scouts need to address this situation as quickly as possible. This season is fucked. Next season and the seasons to come, I expect fucking results. I can't expect shit seesaw of a season like this to go on in the next season as well. Fucking changes need to happen in the transfer window especially. What fucking bottlers, man. Shit. Fucking 3 points given to you. 90 seconds, y'all can't defend. What more to say? What more to bloody say? At this rate, you'll think y'all will win anything? Bloody fucking anything? Fuck no. I know Lindelof is not to be blamed this entire bloody game, but really, Lindelof and Maguire were fucking shit today. Our centre backs are complete shit. I know Maguire may be big in size and all, but fucking he's a bloody fridge, okay? Nothing else he is capable of. And Lindelof is absolute crap. Without Bailly at centre back, we are fucking collapsing. Today's game was testament to that fact. Today's game. What fucking nonsense and piece of shit defending was that? I've said it in the past, I'm saying it again. We suck at defending set pieces. Corners, free kicks, we always fucking cause a liability in the back. Always. Most of our goals have been conceded that way. Open play I can understand. But fucking set pieces you're not supposed to concede so often. Really, dude, what the fuck were we doing in the transfer market? Really. Liverpool, because of their fucking injuries at centre back, they made 2 signings at the back. Ozan and Ben Davis, some fucking guy from Preston. And we are fucking sitting. We are just loaning out players. Nothing else. You're just concerned about making fucking money to use at strip clubs. Nothing fucking else. Fucking disgrace.